gosh, I look large. We are heading to Kentucky for my baby shower. I'm looking a little puffy. That's what my mom said on her way to Kentucky. My mom hugged me goodbye and said she loved seeing me puffy. Thanks, Mom. Ooh, puffy. Got my Kentucky shirt on, boy. We're finally packed up. Got so much stuff, and maybe it's allergies. Yeah, we'll go with allergies. All right. I just had 10 Wendy's nuggets, a large fries, and a small chocolate frosty, and I didn't offer Marty any of my frosty, and now I'm feeling kind of sad, bad about it. That was the first time ever I didn't offer him any of my frosty. And I'm still so hungry. Look at his little glasses. I think there's some horses running beside us. How amazing. Oh my gosh, they have lights on their heads. Okay, well, maybe we'll see this in the daytime.
There's Dad waiting for us.
Beautiful entrance. This is unreal. We all made it. My dad looks really good here. Oh yeah, just a tree.
The chef is in action this morning. Bright and early. The sous chef outside on the grill is the bacon man Pax and Marty. And there's the helpers.
We've made it to shower day, people. Woo! Let me show you what we got. We got hot browns here. This is hot brown Mornay sauce. Biscuits and gravy. Egg bites. Hash brown casserole. Marty scrambled. Okay, let me show you this view right quick. I'm coming back to vlogging, everyone. All the ants and Jordan. Say hi, Milk. Okay, look at the little biscuit bar. Chocolate fountain, people. Yogurts and granolas. Frank's Donuts. Cheese and crackers. What is that? This is bacon and sausage again. Little avocado toast. My little cake. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. You guys sniffing diabetes?
Marty, I feel like you need to move back.
Marty, you got a Bruce knuckle. Where's Kristen's baby?
Down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you.
Look at him go!
Oh, quit filming us.
Cheaters!
Roll back down, my ladies. Short off in a white.
Why am I opening all this?
You said this was alpaca fur mill? Yes. From Bolivia. Smile.
What?
What? Gosh.
Am I supposed to be recording?
Oh. We decided to go on the horse tour. This stallion won. They had 3 babies last night from the baby shower. Well, not at the baby shower. Due date is today.
Girl, I bet you're mad. Yeah, I'm videoing. Turn to the side.
Those are? Yeah. You want to cut them again?
Oh, shut me out.
You know where the keys are?
Oh my gosh, okay. We're back home, people. It was an awesome tour. The shower was awesome. It was all blur. I feel like I just had a wedding day because it just flew by. We had so much to do, and it was fun and great and beautiful, and I'm exhausted and I'm still windblown. Oh boy. I didn't record this, but last night me and my sister came in probably after 9. This is after a long Costco trip, after a long Kroger trip. I was exhausted. I think I did 7,500 steps, and that was only for the second half of the day. I was dead. But we got back here, had to do all the decorating and getting stuff ready, and it was exhausting, but thank God I had my family to help. Not to mention I woke up at 6:30 this morning after not going to bed till about 1 to my dad. He likes to sing and yell just for fun. He clicks on a light at like 6:30 in the morning, and it turned on every single light in the house. And then of course I couldn't get back to sleep, but we had to get up, start cooking, start cooking, prepping, and it all came together, I think. Jim, me and my boy Pibby, we going out, boy. Honestly, this is a dream. Here's the treehouse. We love it. So my what? Please tell us what happened, Dad. What just happened?
What did you eat, Dad?
Nothing.
My dad is a real live Hercules.
He just ate a raw egg casserole.
My mom said, "Eat this casserole." And my dad said, "Why is this egg runny?" I'm gonna stop crying. Our last morning view. It was wonderful, Jim. Changed my mind. I like this sandwich. I never recorded this bathroom. But when you hit the lights on, lit. What a dream. What a dream. And that, my friends, is one for the books. Got my compressions on, boy. My legs are broken this morning. I'm freaking out because there's so many rooms to check. My dad doesn't think I can walk stairs as a pregnant person. Another balcony. They're just everywhere. It's ridiculously cool. California style. $4,000 for this guy. Ridden by the king himself. Why did he go upstairs? I don't know. Hey, I'm down here. Boy. Let's go. Yeah. You ready to go? You have a good trip? You have my snack bag already? This song saying it's over. How sad.